is Enrico. Hey Al, how are you? Enrico. Al, he wants to know why there's no soups in the counter. Where's Jason?
I'm particularly fond of the chicken turkey sort of chowder that was there a couple weeks ago.
Oh, the chicken chowder that was there.
Chicken turkey chowder.
We made that one, didn't we? That chicken soup, that thick one. It was Jay that made it. That's why he's hiding in the fridge.
Now, is there a good reason why there aren't any drugs of soup there? Or is it just like a bunch of guys who eat shit?
He wants to know where that soup is, man. That soup. The chicken that you made last week.
It was a chicken turkey chowder.
Was it a glass? It was corn, yeah.
It wasn't a corn chowder, it was turkey chicken chowder.
We had it out. Was that ours? Was it a glass or was it a glass?
I bought 3 of them.
Turkey chicken chowder?
Was it a glass or was it a glass?
Chicken and turkey.
Turkey and chicken together. It was amazing.
Okay, but was it glass or was it a glass?
It was a glass.
Okay, it's not ours.
What?
Sorry, it's not ours.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm sorry. Wrong place.
Sorry. This is not, I'm sorry.
You guys are awesome. I just wanted to say you guys are